Maurice here, back for another Power Pack training. Today, you're going to want to watch this video all the way through. In fact, you're going to want to watch this video 100 times. Today, we're going to talk about how to grow your social media marketing agency fast and get clients weekly, okay? If you're not a subscriber to this channel, make sure you subscribe. This channel will help you guys put lots of money in your pocket and get clients consistent, okay? So just wanted to put that out there, and we're gonna dive right into the content. All right, I know a lot of you guys have been watching my channel, watching my videos. You're interested in making money in social media marketing. I'm gonna give you guys some secrets, okay, that will literally, okay, help you guys hit that elusive $10,000 to $15,000 a month. The beautiful thing about social media marketing, you want to write this down, it doesn't take a lot of clients to earn a full-time income. But the problem, okay, is too many of you guys are playing around. You're not taking SMMA serious, okay? You're not taking it serious enough to make the big money, okay? I'm going to show you guys how to do this thing fast, okay? The first thing you got to do, okay, is your agency must, it must be a priority, okay? Write that down. What is a priority? A priority means something that takes precedent over something else, okay? In other words, your agency has to be at the top of the list. If you work a job, and I'm sure 98% of you guys have a job, and that's great, because what a job did for me, and it should do for you, it should fund your agency, okay? When I was working a job, I used to take my check, and I would break off a piece for my agency. What did I do with that money? I would invest in courses, books, coaches, whatever I needed, tools to help me to get out of that job. I used my job to get me out of the job. I didn't allow my job to keep me in the job. And a lot of you guys are allowing your job to keep you stuck and broke. And it's time out for you guys being stuck and broke, okay? So, I digress. Let's go back to this, ladies and gentlemen. You have to keep your SMMA as a priority. I see too many of you guys allow so many things, I like to call them the cares of life, distract you from prospecting, okay? You want to build your agency fast, write this down. You should be prospecting a minimum of 2 hours a day, okay? Meaning you're picking this phone up and you're beast moding it out. Click the link in the description so you guys can get the ICP course, so you can get the scripts and the rebuttals, so you know how to build your agency using the phone. The number one problem I see with so many of you guys is that you're not willing to pay the price to be successful. You're willing to pay for McDonald's, you're willing to buy Jordans and shoes and Xboxes and PlayStations and screen TVs and Netflix, cars and everything else. But when it comes to your agency, meaning it's got to be a priority, meaning financially, time, effort, everything, you have to give your all. See, ladies and gentlemen, the reason why you're broke and stuck and you're not successful right now is because you're not willing to sacrifice to get where you want, okay? We're talking about growing your agency fast and getting clients weekly. If you want to grow your agency fast, you got 24 hours in a day. If you would block off 2 to 3 hours of those days consistently, and you do that for 90 days, you will blow past so many people. Ladies and gentlemen, let me give you guys an example of this. When I first started my agency, I knew I had to dedicate 8 hours to make another man rich. And I knew that I could sacrifice a minimum of 1 to 2 hours to make myself rich, meaning that I was going to make sure this time would not be interrupted. See, a lot of you guys allow other people to get you off kilter. You know, I equate it to, people running track. When you watch the Olympians run track, you stay in your lane. You don't let nothing distract you or get in your lane. And I see that so much with so many people online. 1 minute they're in SMMA, the next minute they're drop shipping, the next minute they're doing Amazon, the next minute they're doing Walmart. Stick with one thing. Stay in your lane, gang. Stop buying 1,000 courses. Buy one course and consume it, okay, over and over. Just because you read a book don't mean you read the book. You have to read that thing 4 or 5 times. It comes through repetition. So if you want to move and get clients and build your business fast, okay, social media marketing has to be a priority, okay? You can't be doing a myriad of other things and expecting to make $10,000 a month. You're not going to get clients because if you think you're going to make calls for 1 hour on Wednesday and then you won't pick it up again until Monday. Ladies and gentlemen, that's the slowest possible way to build your agency, is to be inconsistent. 98% of the people on the internet are inconsistent, meaning that 1 minute they're in SMMA, the next minute they're chilling, watching Netflix, doing all other type of stuff, and they're not making sure their agency, their business is a priority. I give you another example of this. Walmart, okay, McDonald's, Burger King, Starbucks. All of these businesses, okay, have their business as a priority, meaning that you can go to Walmart Monday through Sunday at these times, okay? It does not differ, all right? If you go to Walmart right now and it's 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, you better bet you when you go up to those doors, they're going to slide and allow you to come in. It's not going to close. But what's happening with you guys in SMMA, you say, okay, my store is going to be open, or I'm going to make prospecting calls, Maurice, on Monday through Friday for 1 hour, at 5 o'clock to 6 o'clock. But when 5 o'clock comes, you're like, oh, my favorite basketball team, my football team's on, my hockey team's on, or this is on, my baseball team. I'll get to it later. Ladies and gentlemen, that's the fastest way for you to end up in the ditches of failure. It has to be a priority. It has to be at the top of your list. It's your job, your family, and your SMMA. Okay, everything else, you get it off the table. All right, get it off the table. When I was able to go from a warehouse to making $600,000 or $100,000, 6 figures rather, in 1 year, ladies and gentlemen, my agency was all that I did. It was a high priority. Nothing interfered with me working on my business, okay? Now, as a result, okay, here's a result of building your social media marketing agency fast, okay? If you really want to build it fast, I would put in 3 to 4 hours a day, to be honest, okay? Because then you can blow past everybody. As a result, when you set your agency as a priority, okay, all the extracurricular activities, Netflix, and you want to get on IG and Facebook and YouTube. I like YouTube too, you know what I mean? And I have my time, okay, when I'm able to watch a basketball game or whatever. If I want to go out and enjoy fishing or whatever activities I like to do, I have to make sure that my agency goals are checked off for the day. Okay, now, when you do this, folks, gang, when you do this, what you're going to do is start to exponentially recruit a lot of people, okay? When prospecting inside of your agency becomes a priority, meaning you don't let anything interfere with it, you are going to literally exponent all of those clients. You're going to start getting clients weekly, okay? How many of you like to get $1,000, $2,000, $3,000 clients weekly? It comes through commitment and setting your agency as a priority. Now, notice we're not talking about the technical side of this. That's not important because all strategies work. But the problem is too many people are inconsistent. You guys are too inconsistent. Okay, you're not willing to sacrifice. Some of you guys say, oh man, I can't afford this. I can't afford. You can't afford to be an SMMA. You need to work a job the rest of your life because you're going to have to pay. You're either going to pay with your time or your money. I decided to pay with both. Okay. And it just catapulted me to 6 figures my first year, from a warehouse to 6 figures. And typically that doesn't happen. But I blew past everybody, gang, because my agency was a priority. I set my agency high. I wasn't going to let anything interfere with it. And I sacrificed greatly in the beginning. I was willing to spend hundreds of thousands of dollars to get that goal. And I accomplished it. Okay? So, folks, if you want to take your agency to the next level, you want to build it fast, you want clients left and right, and you're sick of struggling, ladies and gentlemen, set it as a priority. Get serious. Stop playing. Stop cheating yourself and your family. Okay? Pay the price for what you want out of life, ladies and gentlemen, because I did it, and here I am, ladies and gentlemen, living the American dream, doing the things I want to do, driving what I want to drive, living where I want to live, taking trips where I want to take trips, and buying things that I want. Not that I can afford. There's a difference. You know, if I want it, I can get it. Why? Because I paid the price. Okay? So, guys, hope this video has been of immense value to you. If it has, comment below. Make sure you hit the thumbs up. Helps with the algorithm. If you're not a subscriber, subscribe. Uncle Maurice puts out fire like this for you guys on a regular. If you haven't got the ICP course, it'll literally take you from zero to showing you how to get to $15,000 a month in the next 30 to 90 days. Pick it up, consume it, get the scripts, get the rebuttals, be a part of the Facebook group that we have. This course has helped so many people. Go to the ICP page. You'll see all the testimonials of people getting phenomenal results. See you guys on the next one. Bye for now.